Hello guys, here's a quick sound test of one of the most hyped keyboard of the last quarter of 2022, the Monsgeek M1. And does it live up to the hype? Definitely, it does. Can't believe that a keyboard at this price point offers such specifications, and it's the first Ako, right? This is Monsgeek, right? It's a sister company of Ako. It is the first Ako keyboard to offer full VIA and QMK support. This is so good. The last time that I was so excited and so happy about a keyboard that I rushed into building it was when I got my CIY Gas 67. And this time, I told myself to rest today, but when the package arrived in my doorstep, I immediately went on building it and it did not disappoint. All right, let's keep it at that. The full review will follow. This is an amazing keyboard. If it is in your wish list, you consider getting it. Do go ahead and get it. It's really good.